My hair looks such a mess under here. I will not be showing you guys that. And you know, I'm really not that person, but let me tell you girls, this up under here, no, we will not be doing that. All right, boom. And pow, yes. Pow, pow, pow. She has a lot of length. Look at her. Yeah. Okay. So, once you get her on, I got her secured in the back. So, to my ladies that has edges, and the ones that don't worry. Girl, I got you. All you need is one. See, we hadn't even did anything to this baby, and she is gorgeous, honey. She's gorgeous. All right. Okay, you see this? Ladies, and more ladies. This is not what we're going to do, okay? So, we are going to, wait. Okay. Alrighty. We want to take this clip. Okay. And I believe she has 2 combs. So we are going to secure her with these combs because you want her to be pool proof, right? Right? Correct. Thank God for editing. Okay, so what we're gonna do here, you gotta take out some of your edges, ladies. If you don't have edges, don't worry, okay? If you don't have edges, don't worry. But you gotta take edges out. Even though it says it's a lace front, unless you're paying $700 for somebody to install, not a wig, but to install it, because even with a nice wig, you still have to properly install it. So, you take these edges out. All right, and then we're gonna match up this. Part here. That's why I'm a wig connoisseur. Now I can see this. I can see this. Okay. Now, you see it's already looking like a sew-in, but we are so not done yet. All right. So the first thing you want to do is get you some temporary hair color, which is, this is what I use right here. The only thing I don't like about this is high beams. The only thing I like about high beams is that it's dry. But I want to show you something. So you see all that? What we're going to do is cover that up with this. Oh, wait. Wait. Am I out? No, okay, there we go. Okay, almost out. Well, I be damned. But we're gonna make this work. Ugh. See how prepared I was for my first video? Okay. And one thing about these wigs, ladies, you don't have to, if the wig is already part, already curled, ready to go, flip and viva la fiber, you don't have to put the part in the middle. You can put the part, you can put the part on the side, like that. You can, but I love middle parts. So, all right. I just got some edge control. Oh, let me show you the edge control. Yeah, I'm a new YouTuber. Good with me. This is something I got at another hair show. And actually, it works good. It's 24-hour even. 24-hour even. It works pretty good. And so after you put that spray on there, you're gonna put this edge control. I want y'all to tell me that this wig don't look like a $700 wig when we get done, all right? Please do. Please do. Now, I'm not the one for baby hairs. All right? I'm not your girl for that one. The baby hairs is not for me. But I do have this little brush that sometimes I will make baby hairs with. Okay. I gotta learn how to be fast on these videos because y'all will turn me off real quick. So if you want to do something simple like that you really can't see, that's okay. But I'm so not the girl for baby hairs. I like that was too much. Just do something soft. All right. Okay. Now, okay, ladies, don't forget this over here, because sometimes I will be trifling. Don't forget that, because if the wind blow or you want to like switch sides or whatever, you still want to be covered on all sides. You want to be looking cute on all angles. You know, it's all about the angles. All about the angles. So make sure that you complete all that. All right. Okay. Now we're gonna fix this part. Well, no, hold up. Concealer. All right. Concealer, same color my skin. Here's the key. All right. You find where that hair and you put your dot right there. Put a little dot right there. Okay? That's the first thing where you're gonna go, that dot. All right? Can't see that good over here. All right, so you see that? You see that? That's the first thing you do. All right? Let's make this wig. Oh, well, I messed up. Guess what? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We're going to fix that. We're going to fix it. 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 Yeah. And then plus, this is my first YouTube channel, my first video. So, I don't know if my lighting is correct, but, and this part is extra long too. I like it. This is our Beyonce. She'll be proud of us. All right. Okay. And don't forget, if you got this on here, go ahead and wipe that off right away because you don't want to get it on your wig or whatever. So this is what I do. I don't waste no product. Bam. I take this. We ain't wasting no product, girl. No. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. We are not. We are not. Okay. All right. So you don't want this looking like concealer, right? Yeah, because it's looking like concealer now. All right. So you wanna blend it in. You get a Q-tip or Kleenex, and then you just blend it in. All right, here it is. Remember when I told you that if we mess up, it doesn't matter? Because that's what this Sharpie is for. Yes. I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay, so you're just gonna take your Sharpie to make sure it's working. Yes, working. All right. I left the top out. I left the top on, so I gotta get a new Sharpie. So you're just gonna erase those. You're gonna erase those. All right, got another pencil, marker. So any marker would do. So that one didn't work. So you just like anywhere you think that the concealer got on the hair, you just do that. And see, like, I didn't even pluck this one. Oh, sorry. Okay. I didn't even pluck this wig, but look at it. Can you see? All right. So basically, ladies, this is it. This is it. You see how long it is? Let's see if we can get back here. Let's see. Okay. And this is my favorite swoop. Sorry. Oh, I can't see good. I'm learning how to use this camera as my mirror. So, all right, this is jet black. She is about 28 inches long. But I mean, for $100, like, what do you think? You can curl her. You can color her. But we have all different colors, so you don't have to color her. But this is it. This is it. This is it. This is her. No. So, I mean, come on. All right. All the details will be in the bottom. I wanted to do that so bad. I always wanted to say that. Okay, so, and guess what? Subscribe.